Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at a 2022 Forest River Rockwood Roo model 235S. To begin, this is an awesome lightweight hybrid travel trailer. The reason why we call it a hybrid travel trailer is because it is part travel trailer, part pop-up. These canvas ends actually pop out of the travel trailer a lot like a pop-up would. So what that does is it gives you a really small travel trailer with really big sleeping space for multiple couples. Up front here, we're gonna see a lot of higher end amenities. Power tongue jack right here, propane tanks, and your diamond plate rock guard here. What makes this unit super cool is the fact that it gives you an outside kitchen. You have your suburban cooktop, counter space, a nice piece of storage right there. And right here, a really good sized electric refrigerator. Also, you can have cooktops on the outside, a sinks right there, power, a place for a TV, entertainment center, speakers under a huge power awning. Super nice feature. Coming on down the side here, 2 axles, and they do use the Goodyear tires. And because this is a Rockwood, they do the double-sided Azdel construction, which Azdel is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. And even though this is an ultra lightweight travel trailer, they still give you the solid steps, but even cooler, the hydraulic assisted solid steps, which are the best solid steps in the industry. Let's take a look at the inside. Coming inside, looking right over there, you can see that it does have a queen size bed on the rear, perfect for adult sized guests. Right here, porcelain toilet, really big sink, nice size shower. Again, guys, when you compare this to a traditional small travel trailer this size, these are amenities that you're not getting. Huge kitchen area, nice residential style refrigerator, a dinette right here that drops down to make a bed, plenty of windows, plenty of space all the way around that you can see. Sofa, which is directly across from the TV entertainment center. Storage underneath there with a fireplace. This is freaking amazing. And then to top it all off, another queen size bed up front here. And again, what makes this unit so great is if you do like to go camping with friends, you have a permanent bed situation, so do they. They don't need to sleep on a tri-fold mattress. They don't need to sleep in a kid-sized bunk bed. So this is great for people who like to go camping with adult guests or adult-sized children to go camping with them. But that's it, guys. That was a quick little look at the Rockwood Roo. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews, Towables, or if you already know that this is a unit that you want to buy, click the link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.